Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what to do when you have a weak battery on your smartphone. This video is maybe not what you have been expecting, but it can still definitely help you a lot. And yeah, this is actually a strange thing. I have already made a video about a similar thing, and then somebody told me about his experience, and it was like mind-blowing. And I'm going to tell you what happened. Actually, I've made a video about what to do with Samsung phones when you cannot turn it on anymore. Sometimes batteries get very weak also with Samsung phones after about 2 or 3 years, and then it's almost impossible to turn the phone on. And I have been showing some tricks, and then one user told me, hey, there's another trick, and it could be really important. It's not only about Samsung, it's also about other phones, and this is what to do. So when you notice that the battery performance is going down, so it's not lasting the whole day anymore, just a couple of hours, and you think, okay, yeah, it's close to the end of the life cycle, and usually under normal circumstances you would replace the battery, but usually they are built in, and so usually what people are doing, they just buy a new phone, but it takes time. Sometimes you have to save money for that. So what to do in the meantime, not to extend the life of the battery, or refresh or renew the battery. I mean, there's no trick, you cannot do anything. The batteries, they have some kind of life expectation. So usually with lithium ion, it's about 1000 cycles. It doesn't matter if you just load them 50% every day, so it's about 2000 times. If you do it just 30%, then you can do it 3000 times. If you do it full, then it's 1000 times. Doesn't matter, no matter what you do, it's about 1000 times. I mean, there are some special lithium batteries which have more cycles, like up to 2500, but the phone manufacturers, they are not using them because they can sell more phones when they add cheaper batteries. So what's important here at this moment, I don't want to waste more time of you here. That's the thing here, what you have to do. Go to the clock or an alarm. I mean usually the alarms are built into the clock apps on Android. You can also install some other alarms, and the important thing is to add an alarm, a daily alarm, when the phone will wake you up, like in the morning, or just as a reminder, like 12 o'clock noon, to go to have lunch, or something else, to have like a walk every day at 4 o'clock or after dinner, or whatsoever, just anything. Make sure that it's set like as a reoccurring alarm every day. And if you have an option, make sure that it's also set for waking you up when the phone is turned off, if there's an option, or to start the phone. Sometimes with these alarms there's an option to turn on the phone, and this is exactly what helped this user. He had an alarm, he couldn't turn on his phone anymore. No matter what trick he was using, all the pressing, all the combination of all the buttons didn't help anything. But when the alarm came on, then it turned on the phone again, and he was able to save his data. And that's of course the most important thing. Sometimes you have really important things on your phone which are not backed up, or you just need it for some other reason, or I mean, it can be really helpful if you have this, and I highly recommend to do that. By the way, it's not possible to do this with every phone, and it's not possible to do it with every alarm. I have tried this with these two alarms. I think this is the Xiaomi alarm or clock, and this is the original Android clock or alarm. I've been trying this on my Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and it hasn't been working when turned off. but a lot of people have been saying, yeah, it should be possible with most of the Xiaomi phones, with the Huawei phones, with the OnePlus phones, and with some other phones. It should be possible to find some clocks or some alarms which are waking up then even when the phone is turned off. So when you're in this situation and the battery is going to be weak, I think it's worth to spend maybe 10-15 minutes on trying all your alarm clocks here to set it and try if it will wake you up when turned off. I mean, you can search on the Android Play Store for some additional alarms. Maybe you'll find something with additional options. I haven't been looking for that. I mean, I have been Googling for that. I haven't found that. So I think it's more a thing which is like in combination with the phone. So depending on which phone you have, on which Android version. And yeah, that's it for now. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.